Now, how about adding or subtracting numbers in scientific notation? So the rule you absolutely have to remember here is kind of like common denominators with fractions. So you may only add numbers or subtract numbers, same thing, with the same exponent. So, which is to say the same power of 10. Same power of 10. That is an essential rule. So you just convert to the same exponent and then you add or subtract the coefficients. So let's have a couple of examples. So for example, how about if we've got 1 times 10 to the 4 plus 2 times 10 to the 5. So we have choices here. We can either change them both to 10 to the 4 or to 10 to the 5. So let's do both. So the first thing we could do is to change this. Let's do it in 10 to the 4 first. So let's change this to 10 to the 4. So to go from 10 to 5 to the 10 to the 4, we have to multiply by 10 to the minus 1. So then we have to multiply the 2 by 10 to the plus 1. So that is 20 times, let's do that in full. 2 times 10 to the 5. So we want to go to 10 to the 4, so that is times 10 to the minus 1. So we're dividing by 10, so we have to times this by 10. So that gives us 20 times 10 to the 4 is the same as 2 times 10 to the 5. Look at the previous video if you don't get that. So that is the same as saying, therefore, that 1 times 10 to the 4 plus 20 times 10 to the 4. So we just add the coefficients together, so that gives us 21 times 10 to the 4. Or we could go the other way around and we could change them both to 10 to the 5. So let's do that. So 1 times 10 to the 4. To go from 10 to the 4 to 10 to the 5, you multiply by 10 to the plus 1. So then you have to multiply the 1 by 10 to the minus 1, so that gives 0.1 times 10 to the 5. So this is therefore 0.1 times 10 to the 5 plus 2 times 10 to the 5, so that is 2.1 times 10 to the 5, which is the same as 21 times 10 to the 4. Those are the same. Right, now let's just have one example now with a negative exponent squashed up at the bottom here. So let's say 2 times 10 to the minus 4 plus 5 times 10 to the minus 5, and let's choose to do that in 10 to the minus 4, so we have to change this. So 5 times 10 to the minus 5. We want to go to 10 to the minus 4, so that is times 10. It's the plus 1, so this is times 10 to the minus 1, so it all stays balanced. That's 0.5 times 10 to the minus 4. So that's the same as saying 2 times 10 to the minus 4 plus 0.5 times 10 to the minus 4, which is 2.5 times 10 to the minus 4. So you just have to remember you have to change them to the same exponent and then you can add the coefficients. That's the rule.